my fellow Americans. I think we all know where this is going, so let's just skip to the end.
What started as a fictional goal from a horror game became a real dangerous one. Here is the reason why Spawnism is a dangerous cult and why you should never join it. Spawnism started as fiction. It was just part of a horror game on Roblox called Forsaken. In the story, there was a made-up cult that worshipped something called the Spawn, a simple spawn symbol. They believe it has supernatural power. The characters, like Tutam and Azur, were part of that fictional world. It was never real. It was satire, a warning about the dangers of blind faith and obsession. It was supposed to be creepy, ironic, and maybe even funny, but it was never supposed to be followed. At first, people made jokes. They roleplayed as honest. They made Discord servers and subreddits and memes. It was all supposed to be fake. But by 2025, people started taking it seriously. Some players carved their phone symbol into their skin. Others believed that pain was part of their becoming reborn. TikToks appeared showing people that performing so-called rituals. Some even talk about hearing voices from the spawn. This stopped being roleplay. This became a real harm, and it was spreading like wildfire. There were players encouraging others to harm themselves. Some cult leaders manipulated minors, especially in Discord. One name that kept coming up was Cheswell. He reportedly convinced fans to carve his name into their skin. There were even rumors that someone died because of this. Though it hasn't been confirmed, what is confirmed is that people were hurt, and most of them were just kids. People who were brainwashed into thinking pain will bring them power, that cutting themselves was spiritual, that hurting themselves was devotion, but none of that was true. When all of this came to light, people started pushing back. The Forsaken Game Wiki locked Spawnism-related pages and called it out directly. They said this code is fake. The spawn is just an image. Roblox and Discord banned accounts. People spoke up. Some creators made videos exposing the truth. Mental health groups even stepped in, reminding people this was not okay, and that no one should hurt themselves for any group, game, or belief like this. The people who started Spawnism as a joke had lost control of what it became, and the ones who would take it too far were doing real damage. Here's the truth. There is no power in Spawnism. There is no magic symbol. There is no reward at the end of pain. The people who told you otherwise either believe a lie or wanted you to believe it so they could use you. The spawn isn't a god. It's not real, and it will never be real. It's not worth your blood. All of this, it was never about power. It was about control. And the best way to break that control is to walk away. If you're watching this and you're part of Spawnism, I am not here to mock you. I am not here to shame you. I am here to tell you that you can stop now. If you ever carved a symbol, if you ever done something that scared you or hurt you because of this cult, I want you to know something. You are not weak, you are not broken, and you are not alone. You were manipulated. They made you think pain meant progress. They made you think you had to suffer to matter. But you don't. You matter already. You matter because you're here. You're real and you're human. You can leave the school. You can stop following it. You don't need their approval. You don't need their rituals. You don't need any of it. And if you do leave, I promise you, people will be here for you. I will be here for you too. We won't look, we won't judge you, we'll just be glad you're safe. So please, walk away from Spawnism. Choose peace, choose healing, choose freedom, and you deserve it.